Chase Mobile Deposit allows you to deposit checks remotely using your smartphone camera through the Chase mobile app. This convenient feature eliminates the need to visit a branch or ATM, but requires proper check endorsement to work correctly. To properly endorse a check for Chase Mobile Deposit, you must follow specific steps. The endorsement process begins by flipping the check over to the backside, where you'll find the designated endorsement area. Step 2 requires you to sign your name exactly as it appears on your Chase account. Your signature must be written clearly within the designated endorsement area using only blue or black ink. Step 3 is crucial for mobile deposits. Below your signature, you must clearly write the phrase, "For mobile deposit only." This specific endorsement restricts the check to mobile deposit use and helps prevent fraud. Step 4 is optional but recommended for added security. You can include your Chase account number below the mobile deposit restriction. This helps ensure the deposit goes to the correct account and provides an additional security measure. Proper endorsement is crucial because it serves as the legal foundation for transferring check ownership. An incorrectly endorsed check may be rejected by Chase's mobile deposit system, causing delays in fund availability. Always double-check your endorsement before submitting through the mobile app. For successful mobile deposits with Chase, photo quality is crucial. Taking clear, well-lit photos ensures your check processes quickly without delays or rejections. Always take photos in well-lit areas, preferably with natural light. Use both hands or place your phone on a flat surface to ensure stability and avoid blurry images. Proper endorsement is essential for mobile deposit success. Your endorsement must include your signature exactly as it appears on your account, plus the phrase, "For mobile deposit only." Sign your name exactly as it appears on your Chase account. Write "For mobile deposit only" clearly below your signature, and optionally include your account number for extra security. Timing is critical for mobile deposits. Deposit your check immediately after endorsing it and store the physical check securely until the funds are confirmed as available in your account. There are several critical mistakes to avoid when using mobile deposit. Never pre-endorse checks, avoid using pencil or light-colored ink, and don't attempt to deposit damaged or altered checks. Avoid these common mistakes. Never pre-endorse checks before you're ready to deposit. Don't use pencil or light ink. Don't sign outside the designated endorsement area, and never try to deposit damaged checks. Chase employs advanced fraud detection technology to protect your mobile deposits. Enhanced AI-powered algorithms analyze signatures and check authenticity in real time to prevent fraudulent deposits. Regular account monitoring is essential for detecting any unauthorized activity. Check your account frequently after mobile deposits and report any suspicious transactions to Chase immediately.